Three key lessons for students and the employees. If you start following these words, your life will change drastically. First of all, I thank you for watching this video and supporting us here on this our new channel. So our channel name is Mindology. If you are new or if you have still not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. We keep making videos every week about skills, lifestyle and career. I am your host Dinkar. So let's get started in this video. So there are three key lessons that you should follow as a student or as an employee, as a professional, as a working professional, whatever you are in your life, wherever you are. You must follow these three key lessons of life. So the very first lesson which I'm going to share with you is be consistent. Do you know meaning of consistent? Well, I'm sure you know meaning of consistent. But how many times do you follow this word? How often are you consistent in whatever you start? So the problem with all of us is we think of starting many new things. We think of doing many new things, but the problem is we are not consistent. So once you start learning something, once you start working on a new project, or once you start doing something else, it's really, really important to be consistent. So make sure that if you have the ability to be consistent, if you are committed to be consistent, only then start something doing new. Otherwise, you are more likely to give up. Let's go to the second key lesson. The second key lesson is be ready to learn. Learning. Learning should happen all the time. Learning has to happen in each stage of our life. Never leave being a student, no matter what your age is, no matter at what stage of life you are. You must learn. I have seen many people, once I start talking to them, they are 40 years, 45 years, 50 years, and I tell them to learn something. At that time they deny. They say, what is the benefit of learning now? Our age is this, what we will do? But age is just a number. You must keep learning all the time. The founder of KFC, I hope you know, he started his career of KFC at the age of 65 years. There can be many more examples. Please go ahead and find. So age is just a number. You will see many children, they have started their career at the age of 12, 13. Alright. So age is just a number. Keep learning and you always need to be a student. So the first lesson was consistency. The second lesson is learning. And the third lesson is be an action taker. You have to be an action taker. You will find many people willing to do something. You will find many people sharing their dreams and wish, but they do not go with the mindset of taking actions. If you are a person who takes actions rather than thinking all the time, then I'm sure you will see the result in your life one or the other day. Taking action is all that matters, because thinking is what everyone does. Taking action is only done by few people. So make sure that you take actions. So let's revise what are three lessons that we discussed today in this video. So the first one was consistency. The second one was learning. Please comment down there in the box if you still remember the third lesson. So the third lesson was taking action. Be an action taker. If you liked any of these lessons, please go ahead and like the video and share it with your friends if you like it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have still not done it, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified whenever we release a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video till now.